Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. Well, today's vlog, I'll be going to my cousin's wedding. It's a small wedding and it's keeping very early. It's keeping 3 o'clock. So I decided I'm gonna vlog it and take you guys along the ride, right? So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Alright guys, so right now we're at the back road, so I will give you guys a tour of the back road. Alright, and then when I reach over the harbor bridge, I'll continue back videoing for you guys. Alright, you guys already see the vlog with the harbor bridge. Oh, and by the way, the wedding is over the river. Yeah, I think it's Lagrange area, Middle Road. Yeah, so when I reach over the river, I'll show you guys where I'm going exactly. So let me just show you guys the back road right now. Alright, so enjoy. Alright guys, so this is the back road here. I'm driving on the back road. So right now they're doing the back road. I think they're widening it, so a lot of work is being done on the left side of the road, so widen it. When we go further, you guys are gonna see more. Sun in my face. Yeah, as you can see on the left side, they have a lot of wall and all these things, you know, because they're doing the road. Working today because I think because it's Sunday today, that's why I'm not seeing the workers. Because I usually do not like to drive at night, so I'm gonna probably leave there about 6 o'clock. By the traffic light. I know guys, I haven't been posting this regular, I know I haven't been posting regularly. Sorry about that guys, but I'm gonna start back posting regularly from next week. Stick with me, you know. Don't leave me. Do not leave your girl, okay? Do not unsubscribe. Do not leave your girl. Just have my back. I'll be back next week, uploading for you guys on regular basis. Alright, guys. I have so much new recipes to bring to you guys. Also some old ones, but I'm gonna put a twist on it as well. So, guys, just keep your notification on, and so you guys know whenever I upload a video. Alright guys, so don't give up on your girl. Although sometimes I'll give up on myself. Don't give up on me. Alright, so I'm here waiting now to go across the Peter Hall. Yeah, but Peter Hall, and I'm waiting to cross the to go over to to go over to the bridge. Yeah. How am I looking guys? I have my hair in one. I think normally my one hairstyle is just spirals in the middle and got it loose down to the side. So let me just put my hair in one today. I have on a dress, but no heels though. Although the wedding, I'm not wearing no heels. I'm just gonna wear a normal sandals. So I get Aiden, I stop wearing I stop wearing heels. Like my back does hurt me and my foot does hurt me, so I just stopped wearing heels since then. It's like 5 years now. I haven't worn heels. I should use that one there. Anyhow, so I'm here at the Harbor Bridge. Ready to cross it so we can go to my cousin's wedding. And guys, give you a little view. Direction, stop and ask people. Because I haven't gone over that side in a while, so I'm not quite sure where the wedding is keeping, but I'll find it. I just gotta listen to the music. Yeah, I just have to listen to the music. Somewhere, it can't be there because this got some balloon. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop the camera. Let me check my messenger for the direction properly. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just listened to my voicemail with the direction. So I guess the wedding is keeping on Middle Dam. So I just look for a balloon arch on your right hand side. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just keep driving down Middle Dam. One thing I noticed with over here smelling like chicken. Like a lot of people just like mind foul and so over this side. Yeah, it's smelling foully like. Guys, I'll show you guys my whole outfit. It's a nice dress. It's like short in front. But to me, it's like extra short in front, and it's very long at the back. Yeah, like till to my ankle. But I don't know why in front so short. One blow with the breeze and woo, everything short. Oh lordy. I need to get some new clothes. Oh, they have some nice house though. I have like a whole set of vlogs on my phone that I need to edit and upload for you guys. I need to make the time and edit and upload it for you guys. Oh my god, it's really sweating there. I hear no little music. But where is it? Where is it coming from? But she said it's a little down. Alright guys, so I'll put it on back when we reach the wedding. Oh, it's one coming. Okay. Alright guys, so
Don't need no money.
guys, here's my crazy cousin. You looking for what?
Don't bring your shit.
Right.
Say about your woman. Say about your man.
Let us see my outfit then.
And it's members only tonight. Go tell mama. Go tell daddy.
Alright guys, so it's about 6:30 now. I'm leaving the wedding. I spent a few minutes there. So I'm headed home now. So see you guys. I'm gonna reach home. I'm gonna put on my glasses because you guys know you girl don't see good. Oh my gosh, mosquitoes. Oh, Lord have mercy. It's a small wedding. I keep on the a bottom house. It's nice little wedding, but your girl got to go. This is a long traveling they gotta do. So I'm not gonna stay out too late. And then you can drive across the Bedmore Harbor Bridge at night either. So I'm gonna be doing that. Alright guys, so when I reach home, I'll see you guys. Probably show you my food that I got at the wedding. I didn't eat nothing, I didn't drink nothing. I just bring me everything. Because like I said guys, I didn't stay long. Less than an hour I stay, you know, just to show my face, give her her little gift and wish her all the best. I wonder when I will get married. I would love to get married one day. Well, whenever I find Mr. Right. Mr. Right, where are you? Where are you, Mr. Right? Where are you? When are you gonna come and marry me, Mr. Right? Where are you? Alright guys, so I'll see you guys at home because you're gonna have to focus on this road with your 4 eyes. Alright, so when I reach home I'll continue the video. Alright. Oh Lord. Alright guys, see you then.